So today is Wednesday, February 7th. There's about a week, 2 weeks left until the end of build season. And as you can see, there's some snow outside, kind of icy. New Haven Public Schools called a snow day today. What that means is that we're not gonna have access to our robotics room today, which kind of sucks because there's not that much time left in build season. We still have a decent amount of work to do on our robot. But you know, even with the snow day, we can't waste any time. So today we're just gonna show you some things that we're working on, not necessarily on the robot, but all the other things that we need to do to get ready before competitions start. So let's go.
Okay, so guys, this past week I've been working on, well, the programming team I should say, was working on the practice bot. We got the arm all done. Now I'm working on the arm, doing motion magic for auto, so then the arm can go to different coordinates and then stop and then pick up the cube, so then we can put it on the switch and later even the scale. So that's what we did so far, and we added Elm City Drive here. Good old Elm City Drive from last year for the drive this year. We've agreed on that. And the other thing I've been working on this past week and today as well, refining Spline Auto. So Spline Auto is from 319. We're using some of their code to help us make curves, so then we can do curves instead of like taking time in turning, and it kind of looks like more like a robot, where this is just like a straight curve. And it'll probably, I believe our robot's fast this year, so this should half our auto time. That'll be perfect. So we can like do something for double cube auto and stuff like that. And we've been having some problems lately that like it hasn't worked at all so far. We've gotten most of the errors out, but now it doesn't work at all. So we are still debugging that, and that's it.
Hi everyone, so today I'm going to show you how you can post a blog. So first we need to go on our website, which is robosquad558.weebly.com. So this is just a little glimpse of the home screen. These are our tabs where we have what is first, about us, robots, sponsorship, FLL qualifier, and resources. In our robots, we have pictures of our robots from previous years. Our sponsorship tab has a list of all our sponsorships and how to become one, so if you're interested you can visit this tab. So here we have our vlogs, where we have all the vlogs since kickoff. So now we'll go back up and we'll visit our blog tab, which is up above the vlog. So here in our kickoff blog, we posted some of the stuff we did, and we posted our vlog. So you make sure to go watch that if you didn't. And on our blog, we post some of the stuff that our sponsors give us, some of our prototyping, some of our vlog behind the scenes, some of our meetings that we have. So to start a blog, we go on the Weebly website, and it gives you the same layout as our website. So this is the home page. So to post a blog, you go to our blog tab. So if you want to post something, you press new post here in the corner, and it gives you a blank blog page. So a cool feature of this is that we can add a link to our blog with the use of this button. So I like using this button a lot because it's kind of cool. So for the button, we can click on it and we can decide what we want to have written on the button. So here I want to write, order form and I want to change the style too. So I could do it little or big, and I could change the color. So I want to do it yellow, my color. And we can change the position too. We could do it left, middle, or to the right. I'm going to do it in the middle again. And we can add a link. I'm going to add our order form link. So now that we're done, if we press this button, it will end up taking us to the order form link, which is this, if you would like to order some of our merchandise. So also another cool feature that I found out recently is you can have a little slideshow, if we could find it. So first I want to show you all of these. So this is to add a title, this is to add text, image, if you want to put like a mini gallery to your blog. This is the slideshow that we're going to use. So I'm going to put it here on the bottom. Simple slideshow. And for this slideshow, we're going to post all of our merchandise that we're selling. So I'm going to upload from the computer. So this is a slideshow. And I also want to post the vlog that has all of our students modeling. So we could post the link, or we can post the video. You can put a YouTube video. And it's Control V, enter. There we go. Now the video is there. If you press the video, it's going to take you to the YouTube video. So now that we think we're done with our blog, we could be ready to post. You put post. And there is our new blog.
Guys, so because it is a snow day, we aren't in the shop. And tomorrow is the deadline for Chairman's and Woody Flowers. Shama, what the hell are you laughing at? But because tomorrow is the deadline for Chairman's and Woody Flowers, we thought it'd be a great idea to actually finish Woody Flowers and our Chairman's submissions. So right now we're on a Skype call with the 4 captains, and we're currently working on the Chairman's submission and the Woody Flowers. Say hi, guys. Say hi, everyone.
Say hi.
So I was a little confused. So this is our robotics folder for this year. We have like different folders to organize it, because you know we like to keep everything organized sometimes, but if you look at our shop, it's not that organized. So if you guys go into our Chairman's folder, you can see all these different versions of the Chairman's essay we have. And currently we're on version 5?
4.
Version 4. Oh yeah, right here. So this is our version that we have as of now that we might submit. It just needs a little bit more touch-ups. But the fun part about this year's Chairman's writing process was we split it up between upperclassmen and underclassmen. So the underclassmen wrote their version, and then the upperclassmen wrote their version, and at the end we combined them together to create one whole essay. And thank you to the best person alive, Amanda, for helping us with our essay. She edited it.
So obviously the deadline for submitting Chairman's is tomorrow, so I don't think Amanda's accepting any more edit requests. If you guys want to, next year, as soon as you get your first draft done, send it to her. She's amazing. She'll tear it apart, and you know, I think she's one of the main reasons why we actually have succeeded in writing really good Chairman's essays.
Okay, so
It's about to happen.
good. Oh my god! I'm so happy. Like, this moment 20 hours in advance. Let me send it.
I'll do like a spit take.
Sam, are you crying?
Yep.
Sam!
No!
Oh,
Samantha!
oh, Sam, don't cry.
Oh my god, this is our last time submitting chairmen.
Stop. We should get like confetti to throw.
Oh, that'd be sweet.
Like
Seriously, do you know what I have?
What is
Betty Shooter.
Yes.
Congratulations, FRC Team 558. Your 2018 Chairman's Award submission has been received.
Yay!
Wait, I got some. It's all in here.
That was
Phew.